Okay, it's done. Now, this will hold up a hell of a lot better than any kind of paint. And the blades still spin fine. Good. Very good. Now that is nice. I might spray over a few areas over again, like in that area where it got rusty, you know, where the rust was building up in particular. But yeah, there's a smooth finish. I think I'm gonna have to put it in the garage though because it's trying to get overcast. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I'm starting to get my doubts. Plus leaves and shit are falling. But yeah, anyway, there it is. Smooth finish. Smooth enough, and anyway. Once this is done drying, I'm going to go ahead and put all the shit on it and put it on back on the mower, and that'll be that. I'm trying to keep up with things. I know I haven't been posting any videos of me getting on the Centro because I've been busy working and shit, so anyway, there it is. Probably get sprayed over again. Until then, I'll let it dry. Cool.